I'm going to demonstrate palpation of the extensor digitorum muscle proximally and the tendons distally. The extensor digitorum inserts into the lateral epicondyle via the common extensor tendon and distally inserts into digits 2, 3, 4, and 5 via the extensor expansion of the fingers. So it's going to be positioned like this, but then it's going to go into the finger as he slips, head down into the digits. So palpating the muscle proximally, the client's going to be seated, elbows flexed 90 degrees. We're going to palpate the brachioradialis muscle. Once again, to locate that, you can have the person go ahead and just do some flexion. You can locate that and then move slightly medially along the posterior surface. That's where the extensor radialis longus and brevis will be located, and just continue a little further medially along that surface, and that's where the extensor digitorum will be. So palpating that way, what we'll do is stabilize the wrist. So I don't want the client doing wrist extension, because that will activate the extensor radialis brevis and extensor radialis longus. All we want them to do is to do extension at the metacarpal phalangeal joints. So if they go ahead and do that, and then you'd be able to palpate the muscle proximally here. Now for the tendons distally, the tendons come down as he slips heading into the extensor expansion of the digits 2 through 5. So with the client seated, elbow flex 90 degrees, and you can have them in a pronated position. If you ask them to make a claw hand, you'll be able to locate the tendons as they pass along the posterior surface of the metacarpals.